how to fix black screen on Roblox Mobile. So if you want to fix black screen in your Roblox Mobile, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Then you need to open up your settings, and from the settings app, you just need to simply scroll down and select the apps section. You'll find the apps right here, tap on it. And from apps, you need to go with manage apps. And from manage apps, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Roblox. Once you find Roblox, tap on it, and then you need to just go with clear data, which will be on the bottom right, and tap on clear cache. And once you clear your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if this still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just go back and then open up your app store or your Play Store. And from here, you need to search for Roblox, and under your Play Store, if you have any updates on your Roblox, you just need something to go and update it. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.